Welcome to day 18 of 21 days of SQL challenge. And today's challenge question is about working with the union and union all. Basically, it is used to combine the results from multiple select statements into a single result set. And there are some requirements we need to keep in mind. First is it must have the same number of columns in each select statement. Second, it must have same data type in corresponding columns. That is in the first select statement and the second select statement. And third, instead of requirement, I would say it's about the result set. In the final result set, it takes the column names from the first select statement. So moving to the question for day 18 is we need to create a comprehensive personal and patient list showing identifier like patient ID or staff ID, full name, their type, whether it's patient or staff, and associated service. Include only those in surgery or emergency services. And finally, we need to order them by type, then service, and then name. For this, I have written two select queries. The first select query contains patient info from the patient table as requested, like select patient ID as identifier, name as full name, patient as type. Here, patient show is a literal to identify source, whether it's from the patient table or a staff table. From patient's table, where, and here I have specified the condition mentioned in the question, service in surgery and emergency. As this was the filter condition, we just run this first select statement and this is the result. Now let's write a second select query for the staff details using a staff table. Select staff ID as identifier, staff name as full name, staff as type. Here also staff is a literal that I already explained as for a patient. From staff table where service in surgery and emergency. Let's run this query as well. Now what we want is we want to combine the results of the first select query and the second select query. So I'm going to make a use of union because it will remove duplicates, and if we have to keep duplicates, then I should have used union all as it keep all records. And finally, let's order the data by service full name. Now let's run this full query. As you can see here, in the identifier we have info of all patient IDs and staff IDs along with the staff name or the patient name. In type we have we have service. In type we have a info like whether it's patient data or the staff data to differentiate, and only for service to differentiate. And in service we have a surgery and emergency. We only included the information about the surgery and the emergency service.